Hi, my name is Paloma Varela, and the topic I'm about to explain is mechanical waves, and I'm going to explain frequency, period, and the types and parts of a wave. First, I'm going to explain what's frequency. Frequency is the number of complete waves passing a fixed point in a specific amount of time. And the symbol of frequency is AF, and the units are hertz. Now, period. The period is the time it takes to make a complete cycle, and the symbol for period is a T, and the units are in. So the difference between frequency and period is that frequency refers to how often something happens, and the period is to the time it takes that to happen. So before I explain the types of waves, I'm going to explain what is a wave. So a wave travels through a medium, and it transports energy from one point to another. The first type of wave is the longitudinal wave. The second type of wave is the transversal wave. So in a longitudinal wave, the hands move, the hand pulses horizontally, so they pull and push, and the wave energy goes horizontally. And in a transverse wave, the hands move up and down, but still the wave energy goes horizontally. An example of a longitudinal wave is sound. For example, when you put music, this creates vibrations that make the air particles vibrate all the way through our ears, and this makes sound. The waves in a surface of water is an example of a transverse wave. This is because these waves makes the water go up and down, and all the objects are in it. And finally, the parts of a wave. Usually, to identify these parts of the wave, they use a transverse wave, as you can see. So first, we have the amplitude, the wavelength, the crest, and the through. In conclusion, waves are really important in our daily lives. They are in a lot of areas that we wouldn't expect or we don't think about all the time. And here are some examples of the importance of waves. Visible light that allow us to see. Microwaves or radio waves that allow for long communication via mobile phones, radio, television, etc. Infrared waves that are used in night vision cameras and remote controls. And X-rays that are used in medical imaging.